Good day everyone, my name is Lovely Edwin. What I'm about to produce now is special hair conditioner that sells in the market. The ingredients for these productions are number one is Nitrosol. You have your Nitrosol, you have your measurements, you have your paraffin oil, you have your Cethyl alcohol, you have your wax, you have your shea butter, you have your stearic acid, that is the oil parts, you have your glycerin, you have your foam booster, you have your Dehyquate A, you have your preservative, your perfume, you have your borax. These are the ingredients you needed for this production. Now we have come to the next step. This step is to dissolve our oils, then proceed for the next one. First ingredient items to add is your paraffin oil. This is half liters of paraffin oil. Allow the paraffin oil to heat. Now our paraffin oil have heated. The next thing to add is shea butter. This is 1 tablespoon of shea butter. This is the second tablespoon of your shea butter. As you pour, you stir it very well to dissolve. The next thing to add is your Emmer wax. You add your Emmer wax. Allow to dissolve. Your Cethyl alcohol. This is Cethyl alcohol. As you pour, you dissolve. You stir it very well. Stir it until it dissolves. This is your stearic acid. Dissolve it very properly. The same turning. Since all the items have been dissolved very well, remember this procedure goes with hot water. You off your gas or your stove. Now the next thing is to pour in your hot water. Then this is your hot water, your 5 liters of hot water. Inside this hot water, you pour in your borax. You will stir it very well. Once it has dissolved, now is to while your oil is still on fire, you pour in your hot water. You stir it properly. This procedure is very important. That's why it's not everybody that will make a hair condition very smoothly. After that, you turn off your gas or your stove, then proceed for the next step. Now get water, get a small bowl, pour your water, then pour in your Dehyquate A. Pour in your Glycerin. Pour in your preservative, just a little quantity, because what we are making is only 10 liters. 10 liters of hair shampoo. Small quantity is enough. Then the final step is to pour in your whitish solution. And stir. Stir it very, very well. If you follow my step by step of making hair conditioner, you will never get it wrong. This is the best step and updated step for you to make a smooth and very good hair conditioner. Wow, your hair conditioner is very smooth. You can see no slump. There's no lumps on it. It's very, very smooth. Now you pour in your third mixture. And stir. Now is to add the remaining ingredients. I want it to be foamy, more foamy, as I'm adding foam booster. Now I'm adding my perfume or fragrance, whatever you call it. Wow, our hair conditioner is ready. Please like our articles, subscribe so you can see our videos and other things. We love you. Yes, so our special, smooth and healthy hair conditioner is ready.